Welcome to the channel. So today we will discuss about what are data binding types in UI5. So let's get started. So we have three types of data bindings in UI5. So when we say data binding and then binding types are different. So we have one-time binding and then one-way binding, then two-way binding. So one-time binding is nothing but we define properties and those values cannot be changed in runtime. Okay, so that is called one-time binding. For example for one-time binding, it is we can say resource bundle model, which is also called 18N model. Okay, so what are all types of models we have? We have models and then OData model. This we will discuss in another session. So by default, JSON model supports for two-way binding and OData model supports for one-way binding. And now to, to change JSON model from two-way to one-way or to change OData model from one-way to two-way, there are some predefined methods to be used to change it. So we can use those methods and then change it to two-way. And now this is also same one-way. So this is also same like JSON model can be changed to from one way to two way. So now we will discuss about what is one way and then what is two way. Okay, so for that, let me open this OneNote. So first of all, what is one way and then two way? So let's assume that we have a view here and then in view we have some simple form. Okay, this is view and there is a model which is bound to this view. This is model. And then in model, we have a data. So model has data here. So now how do we bind or how do we display this data into the view? How do we display? Via binding concepts. Binding concepts. So now when we say one way, let's say, for example, if we update some value here, let's say, for example, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this value, this is order, you can say order property. So for an order property, we have updated value as 1, 2, 3. So for example, we have bound that order property in the view. So binding of order property will be something like this. Model name. I'll showcase this later with the real time with the example. So this is how it will be. So if I bind by using this property binding, the order in the view 1, 2, 3 will be displayed. Okay, so this is like displaying value from the model into the view. Okay, so this is one way. Okay, and then what is two way? So similarly, when the order is displayed as 1, 2, 3, and if you change it to XYZ by entering it to the view, the same XYZ, it should also update in the model. Okay, so if this is first condition and then this is second condition. In two way, if 1 and 2 both conditions are satisfied, then we can consider that as two-way binding. Sorry, it is two-way binding. Okay, so if only first condition is satisfied, let's say for example we are setting some value in the model and that value is being transferred to the view and the updated value is already displayed in the view. Okay, so only if first condition is satisfied, then that is first one way. Then that is one way binding. Okay, I hope I am clear. So in the next class, we'll discuss about with the real time example. Okay, thank you. Bye.